So the question is saying that the polynomial f of x is equal to a x cubed minus x squared plus bx minus 1 leaves a remainder of negative 33 and 77 when divided by x plus 2 and x minus 3 respectively. So this means that when you divide this function, okay, by x plus 2, you get the remainder of negative 33. Then when you divide by x minus 3, you get the remainder over 77. So the question is saying find the values of a and b, and hence the remainder when divided by x minus 2. Okay, so let's find the values of a. So the concept, what we're given is that when we divide f of x, okay, by x plus 2, okay, the remainder is minus 33. Okay, then when we divide f of x by x minus 2 minus 3, the remainder 2, let's call it remainder 2, let's call this one remainder 1, is 77. So let's find the remainder when you divide f of x by x minus 2. How do you do that? What you do is, let me zoom this at 100. Okay. Okay. So what you do is what you're going to do is that you are going to say you're going to find the remainder. So find the remainder for the first one. You let x plus 2 be equal to 0, so that the x is going to be minus 2. So the first remainder 1, which is minus 33, will be found by substituting this value of x into the given expression. We have a minus 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus b minus 2 minus 1, and then you get minus 8a. This is going to be minus 4 minus 2b minus 1. This is going to be minus 8a minus 2b minus 5. This should be equal to the first remainder 33. Okay, so now this is like your first equation. Let's simplify this equation. You should have minus 8a minus 2b will be equal to minus 3 plus 5 minus 8a minus 2b. What are we going to get from here? We're going to get negative 28. Negative 28. Then we can simplify this one further by dividing throughout by negative 2. So divided by negative 2. If you want, you can leave it there. Yeah, simplify, you get a 4a plus a b equal to, you get a 1 and 4. Name this as your equation number 1. Okay, in the same manner, let's find the second remainder when you divide by x minus 3. So let it be equal to 0, so that your x will be equal to 3. then you're going to find f of 3. Okay, so we have a 3 cubed minus 3 squared plus b 3 minus 1. So this is going to be 3 cubed is 9 times 3, 27, a minus 9 plus 3b minus 1. So this is 27a plus 3b minus 10. So now this is the remainder. Actually, this is the remainder. That's how you find the remainder. This should be equal to 77. So when you, let's simplify this, a plus the like terms issue, we should have 77 plus 10. Okay, the like terms, so we should have we're going to end up with 27a plus 3b is equal to 87. Is there something that we can do to simplify here? There's something that we can do to simplify. If we divide through by 3, okay, divide through by 3, 3 into 27 into 3 and into 87. 3 into 27, this is 9a plus b equal to 3 into 8, it is 2 remainder, the 3 into 27, then you get a 929. So name this as your equation number 2 and then solve them simultaneously using any method of your choice. Okay, elimination, substitution, graphical method, using a system of linear equations to solve, or using matrices to solve a system of linear equations. But so let me write them here. We have 4a plus b is equal to 14, and we have 9a plus b is equal to 29. Obviously here it's better to go with elimination method. Okay, we're going to eliminate b as our variable of choice. Okay, so 4 minus 9, you get negative 5a, b minus b plus 0 equal to this is 29. Okay, then 14 minus 29, you get minus 15. Okay, so we're talking about minus 5a being equal to minus 1, 5. Then divide by minus 5. When you do that, you're going to get a being equal to 3. Okay, so if a is 3, what is our b? Pick any equation of your choice. Let's pick our 4a plus b is equal to 14. Where there is 4, we put a 3 plus b is equal to 14. This is 12 plus b is equal to 14. Okay, and then so our b is equal to 14 minus 12. So b is equal to 2. So we found that a is equal to 3 and then b is equal to 2. So actually we found the values. So now the polynomial will look like this, where there is a 3x cubed, 3x cubed. Then what was the polynomial like? Minus, okay, minus x squared plus, so it will be minus x squared then plus, okay, 2x, and the last part was minus 1. This is our given polynomial. Now this is now the polynomial for the given values of a and b. Now the next, the polynomial is going to look like in full for the values of a and b. So now let's find the remainder when you divide it by x minus 2. So you put this to 0 so that the x value will be a 2, and then you find f of 2. We should get 3, 2, 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus 2, 2 minus 1. This is equal to 3, 8 minus 4 plus 4 minus 1. This is equal to 24 minus 1. This is equal to 23. So this is the remainder actually. Okay? This is the remainder when you divide it by x minus 2. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe.